Technically, you don't even really have to eat this up, but I like to get the release some of the chemicals and benefits of it. But American elderberry doesn't have the cyanides in it like the European elderberry, so you don't technically have to boil it. We just do a slow simmer and let everything kind of cook together. And
yeah, I'm glad you said that, because that's always something people, oh, you got to be careful
eat them
with
wild. In America, you can.
Yep.
Then it's Sambucus canadensis is the species that grows on the east coast of the United States. So
Cooking up. Man, I feel like a witch doctor again. This is awesome. Swamp syrup. This stuff keeps you so healthy, man.
you can see it's a lot of elderberry compared to the water. I mean, it's a concentrated batch.
You know, as me and my roommate was talking this morning, and she bought some, and she's, you know, we're talking about health, you know, and the whole fear of the virus stuff, and even sickness just in general, though. And was like, I'm not a doctor, but, you know, some of these old bush skills like this must work, because how often do you see me get sick? You know, I can't really remember the last time I've gotten the flu or a sickness of any real kind like that, you know. So I haven't gotten a flu shot, since I was a kid. They make me sick, but hey, I tell you what, something must be working right, because, you know, I watch people wash their hands 12 times a day, and they're sick all the time. And, you know, maybe they're washing some good stuff off of them too. I don't know.
Yeah, they've done the studies where you need some of that bacteria at a young age, so you can get up immune defenses.
Maybe it's I just spend enough time outside and out in the woods and in the water that, you know, hey, I'm just part of nature at this point. Man, it's starting to smell good already.
Yeah, if you brew a batch of this inside your house, it smells real good.
I bet. Thanks for guiding us through this. This is awesome. Guys, I'm going to post a link here with the video so you guys will know where you can get online and purchase some of this. Rock on. All goes out to help support our local farmers like Green Planet Farm right here with Luke.
Yeah,
see y'all.